बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Maths Basics. In Maths Basics, we will see Scientific Notation Series Case 3. Conversion of scientific notation into standard form, manual calculation for MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in your MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. Okay? Now let's take an example. Power 2. Now, you want to do scientific notation into standard form, you need to follow the steps. First of all, show the point. Second, check the power either positive or negative. Third, if positive, move point to right. Fourth, if positive, move point to left. Fifth, cancel. Sixth, hide point. First of all, let's see first one. Show the point. Already there is point, but some of the questions there are no hid point, there are hide point. For example, 27 minutes. Look, there is a point too, but it is hid here. Okay? Now means we have done one. Step number 2, check the power. I see the power either positive or negative. We have positive power. Now third, if positive power, point to right. Now when positive power will become, we will take to point right hand side. But listen to me. This is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. Left hand side, this is right hand side. Means the point will become here. Now 23. Only we cross 1, but the power said 2. It means we will take a 0. Then point will become here into power 2. Now again we do now. When we will change the place of point, it means again one more into and 10, but power of negative will become, and this is positive. When this will become, it means it will be cut, whole cut. What is the meaning? 23 0. Point is hide. Sixth one is hide point. That's why the point is hide. And this is our answer. Now let's take an example. It is very easy. You can understand in 5 minutes. You want to understand? Then attend to me. Now 0.0023 into 10 power 2. 2 zeros are here. Now, first of all, first step, negative power it is. Now, first step, show the point. Already point is here. Second, check the power either positive or negative. Now our power is negative. Now see, we cannot do this one. We need to take fourth step. If positive, move point to left. It is my right hand side and left hand side. It is in left hand side and they said left hand side. It means the point will be go here. 0 and 0. These down, then point will become here. For celebrate, we will take one more 0 here. Now 23 is remaining. I wrote when. I tell you now when we will change the point of the place. It means simply we will they are already. Now the point 1 will become point, and for celebrate one more 0. I said when point will be change a place, one more multiply sign and positive power will become. Now when positive power will become, it means the whole one will be cut. Now what is the meaning? 0.000023 is our answer. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.